Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews on top-notch products. Today, we're diving into the world of footwear care with the Stone & Clark Premium Shoe Polish Brush Set. If you're serious about keeping your leather shoes looking pristine, this might just be the best shoe shine brush on the market. Crafted with precision and designed for durability, these brushes are a shoe enthusiast's dream. Let's delve into what makes them stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about quality. Made of premium horsehair and featuring lotus wood handles, these brushes are built to last. The soft and fine horsehair bristles ensure that your shoes are polished to perfection without leaving any scratches or scuff marks. But what really sets these brushes apart is their versatility. Whether you're applying cream or polish, these brushes deliver a luxurious shine with ease. Plus, they're perfect for quickly removing dirt and debris from the surface of your shoes. So, if you're ready to take your shoe care routine to the next level, look no further than the Stone & Clark Premium Shoe Polish Brush Set. With its superior quality, ease of use, and impressive results, it's truly the best shoe shine brush you can get your hands on. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, happy shoe shining!